Every day, countless vehicles journey across the United States. When you need to transport your vehicle, where do you start? Welcome to Truck Spot Logistics, your partner in seamless vehicle transportation. Navigating our platform is a breeze. Let's guide you through the quote requesting process. Kickstart your journey by hitting the Request Quotes button. First, select your vehicle shipping category. Whether you're moving a car, motorcycle, ATV, boat, truck, golf cart, RV, trailer, or even heavy equipment, we accommodate it all. Next, input specific details regarding your vehicle. Accurate information ensures a precise quote. Key in your pickup and drop-off locations. The more accurate your location details, the smoother the process. Choose your desired transportation date. Remember, planning ahead can often lead to smoother transitions. Almost there. Just provide your name, email, and phone number. This helps us stay in touch and ensures seamless communication throughout the process. Once everything's filled in, click View Instant Quotes. And just like that, you've taken the first step in ensuring a smooth transportation process for your vehicle. At Truck Spot Logistics, we pride ourselves on connecting you with the right solutions for your vehicle's journey. Join our community of happy clients who've experienced the Truck Spot Logistics difference. Truck Spot Logistics, simplifying the journey of your vehicle. Visit our website today and get started with your quote. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to guides and tips from your reliable moving experts. Truck Spot Logistics, best deals for the best prices.